Today we came to the Victoria and Albert Museum.
The Victoria and Albert Museum in London is one of the world's largest museums. With 145 galleries and more than 2 million objects, there's a lot to see there. The museum was officially opened by Queen Victoria in 1857 and remains free to enter. With 6 floors to explore, I started off by planning a route. I decided to start at the Europe Gallery.
It's a bit scary.
This gallery houses beautiful furniture and decorative items collected from all over Europe. I felt like I was walking into a palace or grand home.
Look how big the spoons were. This is the harpsichord.
This glass virginal was made in the late 1500s and looks like a cross between a harp and a piano. I really like this decorative silver Dutch clock from the 1700s. Standing inside this sculpture called the Globe was like being trapped inside a giant lampshade.
Let's explore the Japanese section.
Starting from modern times, the Japanese gallery had sculptures, costumes, and even a Hello Kitty toaster. My favourite exhibits were these colourful posters and the samurai armour. The Middle East Gallery had this massive carpet. I really liked the decorative plates too. The main cafe offered a lot of great hot and cold food choices. It also had an incredible setting called the Gamble Room in which to eat your food. I chose a chicken pot pie with a side salad. I really liked the flaky pastry on top, and the pie had big chunks of chicken.
Really good. It's really crunchy.
I enjoyed listening to the live piano music while I ate my tasty meal. After lunch, I set off to explore some more galleries. More than 6,000 items are displayed in the jewellery collection. Some of the oldest items are from ancient Egypt, but there are new pieces too, like this award-winning ruby and diamond brooch. I also saw a lot of gold items from Europe. What I enjoyed the most though was designing my own jewellery. I designed the bracelet using the 3D software. Unfortunately, there was no option to 3D print it and bring it back home. After a quick stroll around the inner courtyard area and a look at some sculptures, I decided to take a break. My mum ordered a scone with jam and cream. I had a slice of cake with caramel topping.
It's really sweet because of the caramel.
Of course, I couldn't leave the cafe without having a go on the grand piano too. Thanks to my cake, I now had enough energy to explore a few more galleries. I started off with the art gallery, admiring some wonderful paintings. Then I moved on to the libraries. I ended my visit by checking out some sculptures. There's so much to see. I learned that many sculptures are not originals though. Trevisan's column, for example, is a copy made in 1800s of the original monument from ancient Rome. Many sculptures had a religious theme. I even found a Renaissance church and some tombs. This enormous door showed scenes from the Bible. Some sculptures were very detailed. I really liked this bronze one from 1893 that depicted a boy catching a crab. There was still a lot left to see, but it was time to head home.
I couldn't believe this museum was for free because there was a lot more stuff than I expected. And the cafe food was amazing. And I really liked the design of the place where you eat and the people playing the piano. I'll definitely visit here again.
I recommend the Victoria and Albert Museum for a really interesting day out.
If you like this video, please subscribe down below.